Hello, beautiful. You're watching Straight from the Doctor's Desk with me, Dr. Andre Purcell, where we specialize in natural medicine for women and especially during those hormonally intense years of midlife. So our goal here is to help you stop surviving and start thriving. All right, so today we are talking about sleep, one of the most underrated and essential components of health, and one that many women are not getting nearly enough of. So for countless women, sleep turns upside down the moment that hormones start to shift. So let me just set the scene for you. It's 3 a.m., you're staring at the ceiling, sheets are damp from a hot flash, your mind is racing because it kicked in, thinking about what you need to do tomorrow, and at some point, you maybe fall back asleep, and when it's morning, you feel like you've been hit by a truck when you wake up. You're foggy, you're irritable, you're running on fumes, and you live for that cup of coffee. So, in perimenopause and menopause, the dropping progesterone and then the ups and downs of the estrogen disrupt the sleep centers in our brain. When we add in the stress of midlife, when we have aging parents, we have teenagers, demanding careers. Many women are just right at the peak of their career. And then your nervous system stays wired at night when it should be winding down, right? Tired, but wired. And then the result during the day is you just feel overtired and uninspired. So sleep is just not nice to have. It's a reset button that regulates your immunity, your metabolism, and your hormone balance. So when we are deprived of sleep, our cortisol goes up, our insulin goes up, inflammatory markers go up, driving up what? Weight, anxiety, and it accelerates aging. So what are some common symptoms of sleep deprivation? Craving sugar or craving caffeine to get through the day. Feeling tired yet wired in the evenings. Feeling like your weight is stuck or you just can't stop gaining weight. Having mood swings, anxiety, or just a really difficult time handling stress, not like you used to. Elevated blood pressure in the morning or morning headaches. Then, of course, we have the quick fixes for sleep. Quick fixes are nice, but they don't last. And so I'm going to suggest that you probably just want to skip over Benadryl, taking antihistamines. Once in a while is fine, but they do disrupt your REM sleep and lead to grogginess the next day and long-term cognitive decline. Wine, may knock us out, but it fragments sleep later, causes us to wake up dry, dehydrated, parched, with hot flashes. Prescription sleep medications can create dependence, alter our brain waves, and cover up whatever the underlying problem is. So if you've tried the quick fixes or you feel like you're relying more on them than ever before, you might want to try another approach to really find out what the underlying causes are. And that's what we do here in the world of natural medicine. We dive right down to the root of the problem, we figure out what it is, and we address it. So we could start with comprehensive hormone testing to identify what's happening and not guess. Treat it possibly with bioidentical hormones or herbs that balance hormones or some other supplements that could be helpful for you. Work on some stress reset rituals so that you don't feel so wired at night. Use food as medicine. I love that tart cherry juice, helps support melatonin in the evenings, and really target in on some specific supplements that are right for you based on your situation. Sleep honestly is our superpower, and menopause does not have to steal your sleep from you. So when you address your hormones, calm your nervous system, nourish your body, you'll just slip into bed feeling grounded and calm. And I want you to wake up energized and clear-headed and ready to lead your day in the direction that you want to. So if you're done surviving on broken sleep and caffeine, let's create a personalized plan to bring you to that place of deep rest again. You can set up your free discovery call with me. We can have a conversation about it. I encourage you to find me on the web, www.drandreapurcell.com, and definitely check out some of my other videos on women's health. You can sleep again. You can feel good in your body again. And I've got your back. Wishing you well.